Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from like certain objects using the customize cutout feature on CapCut mobile. Now this is a paid version on the PC app, so I suggest you using this instead. Select the clip or the video or the photo, then select cutout and use customize cutout. Then you're going to select the brush. You can also adjust the brush size here. For instance, I just want this plate. If you can't really see, it's on like the right side. It's going to like be zoomed in. You have to also select the inside part. You can't just like select the outer corner of the image. You have to select this as well, so make sure you do that. You can also wipe some of it down here if you'd like to, like these parts for instance. It's very tedious, so I'm not going to do that. Then once you're done, just select the check mark button here, and it's going to delete the parts that aren't there. You can add in like a background using the canvas button here as well, like a color. I don't know, it looks bad because I didn't do it properly, but that's how you can do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!